And you already know who it is, man. Mr. Made for TV, aka Mr. iPad Chain here. I'm just gonna show y'all how to short Bitcoin and for all altcoins and all that type of shit. So I was gonna make more videos, so here I am. You know what I'm saying? I'm just showing you with just a little bit of money, 10, 20 bucks. I think this for this example of this short I'm showing you, I only did it for like about 12 bucks or something like that. It's not big at all. I'm just showing you how to do it and how I've done it for the last couple years. But with me using bigger numbers, the turnaround is a little better for me. But this is how I started. I started with trading $2, $1, $1.50. I mean, I literally started with change, like for real. Okay, but I trade on Bittrex, as you all can see here. I've never heard of this coin, Byteball. Never heard of it in my life. I was just looking at the spread and looking at the numbers and how it was going. So this is a chart here of the coin since it first came out or since it was first put on this exchange. I'm not sure. But anywho, it's going by day. You can switch it to by day every 3 days, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, every 1 minute, whatever. But I got it on the day chart here. And looking at the day chart, I'm looking here. This is the close. O is for open, L is for low, H is for high, V is for how much volume they're moving, C is for close. They're moving 592 Bitcoins every 24 hours, which is it's not just a lot, but it's something. And out of here it is in money. Out of this 2 million and something dollars in total Bitcoins that they're moving, you got to try to get a small percentage of that. It doesn't have to be thousands or whatever. Like I'm saying, I'm showing you $10, $20, shit like that. So, but the way this stuff moves and how fast it moves, I normally have 20, 15, 20, 30, 40 orders open at once. So if I'm making $10, $15 on only one trade, times that times 30, 40, 20, 25, or whatever. And now you see how hundreds of dollars can be made every day just trading a couple bucks here or there. But anyway, look, from the beginning, I'm looking at the close again. It's closing for 0.095. This is like some of their lows here, 89, 86. And then it goes all the way up to 0.1s and it stays there for months, and it even goes even higher for months, for months, for months. So as of now, the coin is way down here. Hold on, I didn't say this, but uh, do not trade Bitcoin. This is not for you to do what I'm doing. I'm just showing you how I do it. I'm not telling you to do this because you can lose a lot of money from these bots. Will bust your ass on here. Trust me. But anyway, I saw it going back towards its all-time lows pretty much. So I said, okay, that's when I normally would buy into a coin. And it's like the basketball effect. That's how I look at these charts. Somebody bounces a ball, boom, it bounces, 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 or whatever. But here, it's a different trend here. So when you have these, it's a lot to explain that I'm actually looking for. I'm looking this green line here, this green line here. This is when you have three things like that. Normally, it means it's about to explode. From my experience as far as trading for the last couple of years, so I knew it was going to do something back here, even though I have never heard of this coin, just by the chart. Before I saw any of this over here, when I stopped and saw these signs here, that let me know it was going to be a spike, and that's what happened. So here's the ball. Somebody holds a basketball, they bounce it. Boom, what happens? It bounces. It doesn't go all the way back to the top, but it bounces back up. It goes back down again. Boom, it bounces. It doesn't go all the way back up to the second point, but it goes, and it just keeps bouncing, bouncing, bouncing until it dribbles itself out. And now this is where you have the lows. But since this coin has been around, you know that it's always been up here at 0.1s and 0.2s. Why wouldn't I get it way down here when I see it's back towards its all-time low? Because I know it's coming back. It doesn't have to go way back up here. I'm going to sell way before that because I'm too scared. I don't want to lose my money. I'm getting in and getting out. I ain't never heard of this shit. But anyway, let's go down to the orders. I made an order. It is right now 3:28. I made this buy at 2:12. So a little over an hour ago. I bought 0.08 million Satoshi of this coin, or whatever you want to call it. I bought it at 0.082. 0.082. Right now, the last close was 0.085. I could actually dump this coin now and make a couple bucks off of it, $1, $2, whatever it may be, because this, what I paid total for this is only like 12, 13 bucks. Let's go to actual rate. So I will copy this and then I will put it into my Bitcoin to USD converter to let me know how much I have spent. Paste. That's not right. Hold on, let's go back. Okay, this is what I paid total for it. Okay, copy. Now we should see a dramatic change here. Paste. I paid $26. I bought $26 dollars and 68 cents worth of this coin, Byteball. If I was to sell it right now, I would make a small profit because it's already higher than what I paid for it. But go down here to my sell. I'm selling it for 0.09 million Satoshi of a Bitcoin for this altcoin here. And so I can dump it now and make a small profit, but I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to tell you why I'm going to hold it. These are the bids, and this is what people are asking. I'm looking for a wall here. What's going to stop my sale? What's going to stop it from going even further down? These are people who's trying to buy some. There's a person who wants 86 of them. If you look over him, these people really don't want too much of anything, hardly any. So to me, that tells me this is the wall as far as the lowest it's going to go. It's going to stay above 0.082 because this is a big number. People are going to keep putting their orders above this one because they don't feel like waiting for all these to be sold. I mean, to be bought or whatever, okay? So that's my wall as far as I know it's not going to go lower than that, or my feeling. Then I go over here to what I'm asking. I said if I sell it right now, I can make a small profit, but I'm going to hold it. You see, people are not asking that much. They're not selling that much. So these can be bought up pretty fast. Just by this guy here who wants to buy 86 of them, he can buy this whole first page if he wanted to. And so, well, this is the order list. I'm on the second page here. This is where I'm selling mines at. Why would I sell right here when there's hardly anybody selling any previous before this? Like I say, this guy here, if he wants to buy all 86 right now, he could buy that whole first page all the way down to mine also. I go to page number 3. This is what I was looking at. It's not even that many, but this is a small wall here. Somebody's selling 25 of them. And before that, people are hardly selling any. So this is the wall where it's going to stop. People who want to sell stuff are going to look at this guy. Man, he want to sell 25 of them for this. I'm going to put mines all over his because I don't feel like waiting for him to get to his number. So that's that wall. So I said between this 86 and between this 0.09, in between there is where the short is for me. So I buy at 82 and I am a sell at 0.09 million because this guy, a million Satoshi, because this guy has 25, and after him it's not even that many, tens. I could actually hold out for longer. 30, then you get to 30 on page 5, on page 6. This is probably, if you really want to hold it out, but this is a short that I'm doing, so I'm trying to make it happen fast within a couple hours, dump the shit and be done with it. This 50, 0.096 is really where it's going to start to hold up a little bit. So I could really put it at 92, 0.092 instead of 0.09 million Satoshi. I could sell it for 0.092 million Satoshi if I just wanted to hold it, because these are not big numbers. I could literally put it at right here, like I said, 92 million Satoshi, and sell here and not even worry about this other 10. But that wall for them is going to come at page 6 with this guy who's selling 50 of them. So, like I said, this is just something small. I only got it for $26, and I'm only and by the time it's sold, how do I get that number? Okay, I want to, let me put it here. I have to go to my sell orders. Did it go back? Okay, it didn't do it. But anyway, I mean, I think it comes out. I paid $26 for it. After I sell it, it's gonna be like 30 bucks. That's $4. What's $4 and 26 out of $26? What's that? I mean, that's like what, 15% profit, something like that. 4 times 5 is obviously 20. So it's not 20%. It's a little under 20%. But if somebody told you every time you put in $1 million, you're going to get back 200,000, that's 20%. So just because it's only $26, think of it if it was $1 million. 20% of $1 million is a lot. So 20% of $26 is a lot. Well, I guess that's pretty much it. I'll make more videos and show you how to short things here and there. And after this sells, then I'll make another video showing that it's sold for this price that I'm asking. Okay? That's just a little bit about trading altcoins, not day trading, because you can trade whenever you want to. So this is just trading, period, man. But I appreciate y'all checking out the video. Mr. iPad Chain, I shall holla.